guys, it's your boy DJY and we're back with another episode. So last night was a real celebration. Legendary 50 Cent received his Houston Humanitarian Award for his work with G-Unity Foundation. This is well deserved, man. Congratulations to one and only King 50 Cent. I'm so proud of you, Fifth. Good men do good things. Much deserved, bro. 50 is a living legend. This is true. Facts, period.
He has done so much for our community and also for the nation. He has a major partnership with HISD. I did not know I was going to present him his award. HISD, that is a powerful program with young people who are learning about business. It is in Worthing High School and Wheatley High School and Cashmere High School. It's an amazing program.
So guys, if you don't know, G-Unity Foundation founded by yours truly 50 Cent and supports the kind of programs that foster social and leadership skills in young people living in cities nationwide. 50 Cent doing some major things through the years and this is highly appreciated. Guys, on the screen you're watching 50 Cent's post where he said, when you're doing it big, you win these kind of awards. I am proud of this and my entrepreneurship program is doubling in size this year. Here we have another post by 50 Cent. He says, I think this one is as cool as the Emmy I'm gonna win for the Super Bowl halftime. Sheila Jackson Lee is no joke. Bro, never play with OG 50 Cent because he's real GOAT, true living legend, man. Big shout out to 50 Cent. Guys, if you don't know, 50 Cent did successful Europe tour with Tony Yayo and Uncle Murder. They nearly did 20 shows. Yes, 20 shows, bro. It's to measure, man. 50 still relevant in the game. He's still making sold out shows and this is highly appreciated. So this is what it is. If you like how we don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptv.com.